feel 100% right.
Good. No crossing the legs. Never have 2 feet in. Never 2 feet. Pop, pop, pop. Never 2 feet. There you go. There you go. Now start working your hands and looking up. Good. There you go. And then you get 6 again. Now working your way back down. Good. Perfect. Good job. Good. So you'll snatch. Now deep squat. Drive those hips down so your thighs are parallel. Good. Nice wide legs. Give yourself that resistance. Good. Good. Give yourself flexion in those support knees. That way you'll have more balance on the Bosu ball. So put flexion in. Keep your eyes up. Looking down takes you out of balance. Doesn't bring you in balance. That's perfect. Good job.
Wow.
Good. Now start looking up. Now start pumping your arms a little bit as you feel comfortable. That's it. Knees up nice and high, Jay. Nice and high. Work those knees. Good. Yep. Good.